next question goes. Thank you, for the answers. So after baking chalot and freezing them, they become hard and dry. I wonder if Rav could teach us how to better preserve these chalot.
Hard and dry. So, but you can warm them up. So that's the thing. I'm not sure like what my wife does. I can ask her. But I think she would put in the oven like for I don't know, maybe half an hour or something. So and becomes like fresh and dry, like a brand new. And then she would leave like before Shabbos. She would turn off the oven. So basically, it's still hot. I mean, not hot but warm for a long time if you don't open. And then when we're ready, so when I come home from shul, so she opens the oven. There's no problem; it's off. So she takes the challah and it's nice and warm, like it was baked just from today. That's it. Yes, I mean some people warm up on a warming tray, or but like it just dries them up. So, but in the oven it's the best.
Thank you, Rabbi. So even after like putting it in the oven straight out of they're being taken straight out of the freezer?
No, you defreeze them for whatever it takes. I don't know, 5-6 hours, whatever it takes, depends. Experiment. Don't experiment on Friday. So I always tell people they say you're so smart. I'm not so smart. Like whatever you need for Shabbos, don't start the experiment on Friday. Do it on Sunday. The first opportunity with your timers. So I actually mess up with this time. One of the timers. Yeah, you understand? It's a new timer, and instead of AM, I put PM, and guess what? We needed AM. So, even though I checked, but I don't know, maybe too much was on my mind, but I missed them. And I set up many timers in my life, and I'm always always tested, right? Of course, it's from the store; it should work, but you test like from 3 minutes from now, turn on, turn off. Right, so I mean, program then later on you can erase it, but do it on Sunday, do it on Monday, don't do it on Friday when it's hectic. You understand? So same with all other things. So try to unfreeze this challah on Sunday and see how long it takes. So or Monday, Tuesday, whatever you're going to eat, it's a bread. Eat this bread and then put it in the stove and see how long it's going to take to warm it up. And how long it's going to stay warm. So of course, all stoves are different. Depends how old is it, how like bad this what are the sealant around it. So how good is it keeping the temperature inside. So all these things have to be like it's not possible just to say precisely. So just experiment. You know what to do. So on Shabbos it's going to be perfect. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
So let me see if it's someone just no, I guess someone wrote. Okay, so one of our friends is responding to another one of our friends in the I'll see one of our friends says that I know my mom would put a small open container filled with water to keep moisture in the oven. It's a good idea, actually.
Okay.